What's going on, you guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to make money with flipping and selling domains that you buy at auction. You can do this multiple different ways. The easiest way I have found is going through like Spamzillo or GoDaddy auctions. Every once in a while, I'll go through Namecheap because they are cheap, and sometimes you can find one that you think would work that is really inexpensive. Um, but anyway, I'm going to show you how people have done this and went and made millions of dollars. And then again, I'll also explain to you that a lot of people never make anything because they're too lazy to do it, or they buy the wrong domain, or they just don't really know how. The easiest way I can tell you is make sure that you have a good keyword tool. Make sure that you know the auctions you're going to. Make sure that you know the type of website you're looking for and what type of website that people would want. That's the key factors here. If you see a website that say is $1 million and for whatever reason you have $1 million, I don't, but you could buy it and possibly build it or do um, sell it at auction, but you'll probably never get $1 million for it at auction, to be completely honest, unless it is an established website. And if say Amazon wanted to sell our site or YouTube, of course you would make $1 million. But what's the likelihood of that ever happening? Let's be honest, it's never going to happen because they make way too much money with them. But anyway, let's get started. As you can see here, I've got Flippa. You see these websites. This one's 165,000, 170,000. Here's an e-commerce store that's only 210. Here's a website that's 314, but you'll have to sign an NDA just to see what it is. Here's an e-commerce site at $750,000. Let's see what else comes up. Another NDA site that is 140. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, here's one that's 165. But anyway, let's say you want to start a blog, right? Real easy to do. But you see these ones right here, sign an NDA for more details. But it's showing you that it's making $448.07 a month. And they're wanting $180,000 for it. This one's only making $900 a month, and they want, well, call it $1,000, $980. Close enough. And they want $40,000 for it. This one right here, and I don't know why in the world you need, but anyway, this one right here is $14,000 a month. They're wanting $625,000. This one right here is a $1.3 million. Yes, that's a lot of money, but as you see, they're making $36,000 a year, a month with. I'm sorry, not a year. And you multiply that by a year, that's, let's do the math. Say 36,373 times 12 is $436,000, right? So, clear this out. If you bought that website at $1.35 million divided by 436, it will take you just over 3 years to pay for it to be profit. All profit after that. Because this is net profit, this is not revenue. If you go in and view the listing, it may show you the margins on it. 91% profit margin, so it's not bad. But You want me to show you an easier way to do this than spend a little bit over $1 million to buy one? I know I would. You go here. Well, wrong one. Let me find the right one here. Okay. You go to the auction website, right? That was an affiliate marketing website. So let's say, what would we want to look for? Not make money online. Everybody and their brothers are going to do that. I know. My channel, Mike's Money Tips. Don't get me wrong. I know. But say Bob's. Just put Bob. See what comes up. Emily Bob. I don't know why in the world that'd be so expensive, but anyway. See what we can find here. Now that one's really expensive. If you notice all these at the top are. Let's do this and let's flip it around. Let's see, what have we got here? Uncle Bob Finds. That would work for an affiliate marketing website, wouldn't you think? Because let's face it, affiliate marketing is all about getting people what they want. You're going out finding stuff for them. You're trying to get them to say, hey, I got a problem. I need help. That's all you're doing. So this right here would be perfect for an affiliate marketing website because you go out, especially on Amazon affiliate marketing, you go out and tell them about this, that, or the other on Amazon and just link back to it. That's all you have to do. Now, as you see, this is $5. You can buy it right now for $5. Well, $27 because you have to include that. It's only got an hour left. Says that it's worth $438. Think you can make $5 back on it though, even if you just put it back on the market? I'm pretty sure. And if you don't like GoDaddy, which is where I'm at right now, if you didn't notice in the beginning, because as you see it says GoDaddy, you can go over here to Spamzilla, which I like a lot. Let's put in Bob, see what comes up there. And let's change this to closeouts because that's the cheapest thing I've got is all $9 or less. Okay. Before we do that though, let's go back over here. Where'd I have that one? That one? No. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. Uncle Bob Finds, right? Let's copy this. Because I told you needed a keyword. To the right. Of course, I'm using Ahrefs because it's my favorite. Because it tells you everything. As you see though, it has no link, backlinks, no nothing. Really not a great website to buy. If you want something with some backlinks or something else. Because if you don't, it's really hard to build. This would be one, maybe you could sell it, maybe you couldn't. I don't know. It would be harder to sell without any backlinks. I think the only reason why it has 2 bids on it like it did is because, no, I'm sorry, it's 2 years old. It's not got any bids on it. It's because somebody made it and thought it was cute and just, okay. Now if you go back to these right here, they're so expensive, right? Let's see what this shopbob.com, see what this is. I've never heard of it, but let's find out. You go here, I always go back to dashboard because I like it better. Paste it in, search. See, it's got 480 backlinks, even though it don't have any keywords. These backlinks are what's, and it's got a UR and a DR That's not a bad website. Granted, it's not worth what they're asking for, right? And these backlinks ain't too bad. But okay, let's go over here to Spamzilla. Do the same thing, Bob. Right? Search through the closeouts. Now see, this right here is all backlinks. Let's see what we Bob Liz Net. Bob Liz.net. Right? Go back over here. Go to the dashboard. Paste it in. See what it's got. Now see, according to this, it's only got 6 backlinks. Only had 20 all time. So, I would keep digging and looking, see what else I can find. You never know until you start digging and looking. I promise. I've got, of course, this is mine down here. And then I've got this one right here that I haven't had long, which I'm building. As you see, go to the main overview. So it's got 5540 organic keywords. These keywords are huge. That's what you build your website off of. Without them, you'll never really get any ranking. I know I've been off of YouTube and off of my website for a long time. Let me show you mine. This is what I'm saying because of everything now. So yeah, I've got 747 backlinks. At one point in time, if you look right here, I had 2,300 referring domains, and I had, where's that? Scroll past organic search, right? Right here, I had 111 keywords in the top 100. Over here, if you look, I had one in the top 1 and 27 in the top 100. At this point in time, I wasn't doing anything with it. If I'd have wanted to sell it here, I probably would have done great. Because you see this right here, this is organic positions. This is number 20. Right there's one at number 11. Now, if you notice right in here, there's all sorts of keywords. But I didn't. Instead, I was focusing on something else. It's not a bad little thing to get into. If y'all are interested, check out the first link in the description. It'll take you to a Facebook group, which is free to join. And my mentor's in there. He's helping me. And I think he could help you. I like everything that he's done so far for me. And I believe he will continue to do me right. And I believe he'd do all of y'all right. So, without any further ado, catch you on the next one.